Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to join now. Don't delay on account setup. Open the Google Classroom app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once done, tap the ++ icon at the top right and choose Join Class with QR if visible. If you don't see it, prepare your device camera. Position the code in the center of the frame. Make sure lighting is even so the scanner reads the pattern quickly and accurately. Now scan the QR code slowly. Your device may ask to grant camera permission. Allow it for Classroom to read the code. Hold the camera steady, center the QR, and wait for the app to detect the code. This usually takes 1 to 3 seconds. When the class preview appears, check the class name and teacher to confirm it's the right group. If it matches, tap Join. If the preview looks wrong, cancel and retry scanning or ask the teacher to resend the code. After tapping Join, Google Classroom adds you to the class and loads the class stream. You'll see announcements, classwork, and people. If the join fails, try scanning again with steadier hands or switch to the teacher's textual class code and enter it under Join with code. Once again, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If problems persist, clear the app cache or update the app, restart your device, and ask the teacher.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.